Hey friends, welcome to Knack Graphics. In this video, you will learn to create the paper cut design effect. In this design, I have used some of the ready-made design symbols which come installed in Illustrator. So let's start drawing. I'll be using this set of colors for this illustration. Hue, saturation and brightness values are mentioned here if you want to go with the same colors. Before we start, turn off this Align Art to Pixel Grid button. Now firstly, let's bring those symbols on stage. Open the Symbols panel. Here, open its library and open this group of primitive. Alright, here pick this eye, this hand, this symbol of sun and this stick figure of human. We are going to use the symbol of sun and the human stick figure later in the design. So right now I'm just dragging them out of the artboard. Cool. Now let's increase the size of these symbols. For this eye, come to the transform panel. Make sure this constraint button is on. I'm adding 250 pixels to its width. And for this hand, I will increase the width by 150. Okay. Just place them at these spots. Now have a look here in Layers panel. Here you can see that all the symbols are stacked by their respective names under this layer 1. I'll rename it as symbols and lock it for now. Create a new layer. We will create the paper cut effect in this layer. Drag this layer beneath the symbols layer and name it design. Alright. Pick the rectangle tool. Draw an artboard sized rectangle. Now pick the pencil tool. Hit enter key on the keyboard to get this dialog box. And here set the fidelity to 4th level. Okay, zoom in a bit. And draw randomly around the shape. Draw a bit wavy form like this. And join the path. Alright, now leave some gap and start drawing another closed path. Just go random, don't think about the precision. Okay, draw 3 more paths like this. Done. Now do just the same around this eye too. So 5 closed paths are formed. Now we have 5 closed paths around the eye and 5 around this hand and also this one big rectangle. Select all of these. Come to the pathfinder panel and run the divide command. A group is formed. Ungroup it. Now select this innermost shape and fill it with this brown color. I'm going to use the eyedropper tool here. Now select this shape and fill it with this darkest shade of purple, and likewise fill the next shapes with brighter versions of purple like this. You must have noticed that as I'm picking the colors from these boxes with eyedropper, the stroke is also getting removed because by default eyedropper picks not only the color but stroke attributes of the shape as well. By the way, we don't need them to, so we are going in the right way. Now do the same with these shapes around this eye. Select all the shapes now. Come to the effect menu, stylize and here pick drop shadow. Here keep the mode to multiply, opacity to 75%, set X and Y offsets to 10 and blur to 5. And now the most crucial part. Come to the layers panel. Here under this design layer, we have all these shapes and we need to select all the sublayers. Be careful, you have to select the sublayers and not the objects. For this, click once here and then shift click here to select all these sublayers. Open the options and here reverse the order. Alright, we have one part of our design ready. Now we have to place this sun in a way that it enhances the paper cut effect. We are going to place the sun at this spot. Come to the layers panel. Our sun is locked up in this layer. Let's unlock it first. Note that these shapes are lying here in layers panel. Now just drag the symbol of sun and place it beneath this compound path. Now place the sun symbol here. Let's increase its size. I will add 50 pixels to its width. Now come to effects and apply drop shadow effect to it. Alright, we have one type of paper cut effect done here. It's depicting an illusion of depth. Now we will draw another type of paper cut effect, which is quite simple. Come to the layers panel. We are going to use this human stick figure now. For the ease of work, let's create a new layer. I'm naming it human and here I drag this symbol on this layer. Lock other layers so that you don't accidentally select any other object. Let's increase its size. I'm adding 250 to its width. Pick pencil tool. Draw closed path around the shape as we did earlier. Let it go out of the artboard bounds. Change the stroke size to 1 for now. Draw 2 more closed paths. Now select this inner shape and using the eyedropper, fill it with this color. Select this shape, fill it with this color, and for this one I'll go with this color. Now come back to the layers panel. Select all these sublayers and reverse the order. Select all these shapes, come to the effect menu, drop shadow. Here change the X and Y offset value to -5 and keep all other values as such. These shapes are coming out of the bounds. To treat this, pick rectangle tool. Draw an artboard sized rectangle. Press Ctrl A to select all the objects. Come to the object menu and make clipping mask. So here we are, our paper cut design is ready. I hope you liked this tutorial. Hit like and share your views and suggestions in the comment section. Thanks for watching Knack Graphics. Goodbye for now.